flame jutsu! Octopus hold!
That's only one of B's sealing jutsu. It takes just 3 seconds to work, too.
Oh, wow!
Go.
Why, that masked jerk! He's just been hiding in the ground!
Leech slip! Coral palm!
Horn hit! Once I touch you, I win.
Uber Superhuman Hurricane!
They used Naruto as bait and waited for the moment I materialized. What a nuisance.
We have a Sharingan too, you know.
That's right, and don't forget we have the noble blue beast of...
So, are we going to look for Sasuke and Karin?
Let's check out Orochimaru's hideout first.
Wait, was it trying to attack him?
He's done it.
Hey, did you hear that, Naruto? That voice.
Now you get mad.
Wait, Nine Tails can talk directly to Eight Tails?
I know you, Nine Tails. You've always been like this. That's why that Tanuki One-Tail really hates you. Hey!
You're babbling again, Naruto. The enemy's incoming. Remember, don't let your guard...
8 inner gates! 6th gate of joy, open!
Chakra extraction. Puppetry. What's going on? They're not using any of those. Yeah, it's gotta take an enormous amount of chakra to completely control Seven-Tailed Beast with just one's visual prowess.
Let us just power it up a little bit, shall we?
That he's not means Nine Tails stopped taking Naruto's chakra a while back. Right, Nine Tails?
I believe I'm gonna come after all of that hate that's inside of you too someday.
What the heck is that?
Whatever you do, don't let that stuff touch you, guy.
We gotta help.
Guy, we've got our own problems. We need to help ourselves first.
Yeah.
We're surrounded. I'm worried about how much chakra I have left, but there's no choice. Shadow Clone Jutsu!
Taku-jaku!
Nine Tails. It seems that you're helping out Naruto's clone, who's fighting the other Madara, by giving him some of your chakra. Are you saying you don't care what happens to Naruto?
What?
I suppose that now you want to take my power too, coming all the way in here.
The King of Sage Monkeys, bestowed with the priestly title Son from the Sage of Six Paths. You humans are all stupid. Can't even remember names. You all are less than apes.
Oh, sorry about that.
You have one inside you as well. So that's how you got in.
What? You mean Nine Tails has a name too? Oh, I see. I used to misbehave all the time, just so I get noticed. Naruto! It's a memento for my parents and master!
It is not worth living in this world where only despair exists.
I guess I'd be like Octopops. Yeah, that's what I'd want. They're like... They are true friends.
Are you telling me that you, a human, really wants to be friends with a tailed beast? is completely serious. I ate you. What are you going to do now?
Oh yeah! I forgot about that! Huh?
Just undo these chains, and I'll tell you what I mean.
The Nine Tails. Jinchuriki in the past used all manner of restraints to keep me in check. It will eventually weaken. Very well. It's not fun.
Just shut up! I'll make you pay for that!
If you think you can, bring it on.
You're gonna regret saying it! I'll pay you all back, you'll see!
Yeah, you better run. I was gonna finish you later, but I changed my mind. You're finished!
Shadow Clone Jutsu!
But using my power unconsciously isn't enough.
That's right! It is I, the Toad Mountain Sage!
What?
Still, for now, this is a good opportunity.
What? What's going on?
So the brats finally come to me. So the brats finally come to me. Why are you here, foolish boy? What do you want? Very well. As a reward for making it this far, I will loan you my chakra!
Yes, I actually did it! Sasuke, you are my...
Keep using my power. The more you rely on my power and draw chakra from me.
All right. Team Kakashi, I'm hereby assigning you to a new mission.
Now
You will pay for this!
then, just a little while longer. If I can draw out even greater hatred from this kid.
Don't you talk about Sasuke like you own him!
In that case, come here and I'll give you power. Naruto, you know what to do. Come begging me for help at every step of the way. And once you do, I will give you all of my power. Now, come here.
I'll rebuild the seal now. But this will be the last time.
I can break free anytime I want.
The real me? I'm right here. Right in front of you.
You teamed up with the Eight Tails? You, the Jinchuriki of the Nine Tails? How pitiful! Do you really think that you can beat me?
Yeah, of course I do! That's why I undid the seal! Rasengan Super Barrage!
Isn't this the Six Paths? Damn it. How could this happen to me again?
What, are you lonely or something and you want somebody to keep you company for a little while? 'Cause I'm kinda busy now.
If your comrades are killed, hatred for a long time, and you certainly can't take it all on yourself.
Okay. You finished? Once you question your beliefs, then it's all over. I don't know how yet, but I will find a way to save Sasuke.